Hey, Dick.
Yeah, Jane?
Where are you going?
We're going to our annual Dam Association meeting.
That damn association meeting, I tell you. It's like, why do we go each year?
We don't. Last year we didn't go at all. Though we showed up to go, but we forgot to go.
We forgot to go.
We got busy working on the property and completely forgot.
Well, we go to that damn association meeting when we don't forget, because we got a dam to care about. And we do give a damn about our dam.
We do.
Yeah. Our dam's pretty important.
Yes. It's considered waterfront property because of the dam.
Yep.
Otherwise it'd be swamp front. Oh God, I don't want to kill any damn squirrels.
Did you miss him?
I saw one continue to run. I don't know the other one. I don't know what he did, but damn.
Oh my gosh.
I hate killing squirrels. Come on, man.
Well, that was the same squirrel that was probably fooling with you the moment we came in.
Yeah, they mess around, you know, like, okay, is this a game of chicken they play? Is how they thin out their population? Wow.
This is the little town of Urbana. Hey,
What?
what did the fish say when it hit a wall?
What did a fish say when it hit a wall? Damn!
Damn, you stole my joke. Okay, then you hold it down as if you were on a boat. This is how you're supposed to get people's attention, right? You're on the water.
So we're trying to burn out these flares. This should get it done.
Look at that, got flame, golden flame, red flare, golden flame. Stinks.
So that should give you a sustained heat. Keep these going. There you go, Jane.
Thanks, Dick. That's quite a way to start a fire. All right, so you're going to bring a tractor. You're going to pile some more stuff on here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that! Wow. I think that's the fastest we've ever done a fire. Wow. No. Wow, that's hot already. It is not going to take long. Wow. It's going. It's took off. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is hot. I am telling you, I am being pushed back just because it is so hot. I don't want to get any closer to that thing. The heat is just absolutely amazing.
turns out that's quite a mountain of wood that we burned yesterday, a lot of it. There's still a lot more from the building project that we have to dispose of. And this is the best way to reduce it. It's just way too much for us to have to chip and then deal with the chips. And we don't have a chipper, so we had to rent one. And being weekend warriors out here, it's kind of hard to do. That's quite the pile right there. That one log left on top, that was probably a 18-inch log. I thought it was fairly rotted. It was definitely rotted all around the outside, and thought it was going to be punky, and it was kind of short, so I threw it up on that fire. That thing's just about gone. It's amazing. Now I'm going to try to spread those coals out and get another little fire going so we can keep going with this today. Also, Bdubs and Tonantha left me with some flitches to take care of. So I got to edge those boards and get them on the stack that we started yesterday. So that'll be good. Kind of get that going. So we'll knock those edges off. He says, oh, I'm sure you'll buy that edger. Maybe eventually, but for now, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. Something we discovered last week about this up-down switch. Now, so typically you go down, up, very simple operation. So you might have noticed at the end of the last video, Bdubs and Tonantha stopped milling, had a little brief conversation with each other, and then started out looking for me, because they thought the mill was broken. And they thought it was broken because what they discovered was you can go past that up position, right? And I was like, wow, that's definitely weird. So I came out here, that's definitely not right. And so I just kind of pushed it and it went back. Then I went up, down, ahead, operated normally. So I checked the manual. Manual mentions nothing about that position, so it's not a maintenance position. So I'm like, okay, what happened? There's a drum switch inside here. And this drum switch, it's a very complicated switch. And it's a decent sized switch. And so apparently we went past the normal up position on the switch. So I sent an email to Chelsea, and she and Marty got back with me and says, no, that's not a legitimate position on a switch. Don't do that. It's a drum switch inside. Marty mentioned that something maybe, I think he mentioned it might be a little loose. And on the inside or something, maybe something, you know, so I haven't opened it up. We're not going to go past that position anymore. That's the last time I'll do that. But in case you've never run into that, I don't know if doing that repeatedly would cause damage. There's no reason to do that since it has no legitimate purpose. But, you know, in case, you know, Bdubs is a big guy. You know, he didn't realize, you know, he'd pulled it back a little harder than he needed to. And went past that up position. So there's a 50-hour lube requirement. There's supposed to be a tub of grease in there. I don't know how many of you Wood-Mizer operators knew that, but that's probably something that just take a look at. I've only got 23.7 hours on this, so that'll be coming up to me in another, you know, 27 hours, 26 plus hours from now. So anyway, just in case you never knew that, it's not supposed to go past that position. I wonder if it would go down. I'm not going to try. Switch in accessory position. It's going through a boot cycle. That's normal. Always scares me too. Oh, try to work it right away. Nope. It's obviously working in both directions. So, no harm done, hopefully. Hopefully I don't have to replace that switch, and then I can maybe tighten something, and we won't be able to do that again. We'll check it out. Time will tell.